do you think you'll get married to each other one day soon? Guys, I'm not even going to answer this one. Just let Mr. Ola answer this. So.
Yeah, never forget where you're coming from. King Shango set the trend. Yo, I want to Mama.
Welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. It's your girl Diza.
And I'm on prayers.
Okay.
Like.
So yesterday we put out a really quick video asking you guys to send in your questions that you have for us, as we were going to do a question and answer session. So I know we only put it out yesterday, but we are going to be answering your questions today. Okay. Thank you for all your questions that you guys send in. Good. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna.
That was quick though.
Yeah.
You didn't give you a minute or two.
Yeah.
Right, that way you guys get to the point?
Yeah, you did.
Wow.
So we appreciate all the questions that you sent in.
Nice.
Yeah. So guys, we're going to get started, okay? Questions. So the first question was, okay, my question is, do you guys have arguments? And I mean, someone gets really pissed off. It appears you guys never do. So question, do you guys have arguments? And I mean, someone gets really pissed off. It appears that you guys never do. I think every couple has arguments or disagreements, but I'm gonna let Outlaw answer this one.
Yeah. what me and Freddie with, I think we can't take care of that.
Do we have arguments?
Like something there. Things skin. Yeah.
You guys, you hear this all the time.
Yeah, but you know, we can't take care of that.
Do we have arguments? So you answer the question specifically.
Arguments.
And does like any one of us get really pissed off?
Yeah, but not for long.
Yeah.
Yeah. Maybe in the next minute or two,
true.
Everything good.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah. Oh yeah, we do have disagreements.
As matter of fact, we don't have to take care of it.
Yeah.
And family take care of that. Everything good from this.
Yeah, of course, we do have arguments. I was in there arguments, like little disagreements, you know. But like you said, they don't last for long. Like in the next minute or two, we're good again. Yeah, we don't make things fester, and you know. And I think we're quite good at talking about things as well, you know.
Not going to bed vexed.
Yeah, we don't go to bed upset. No, we try not to do that. Yeah. We just
can't afford it.
Yeah, we don't hold, like, you know, sometimes you have an argument with somebody and all 2, 3, 4 days you're still not talking to them because it's
Can't manage that people.
No, been there, done that, it didn't work, so I'm not gonna repeat that again. Yeah.
Not right now, not in these times.
No. You know what? You're having a little disagreement, your argument, talk about it, you dust it off, you move on, everything's good again. That's how we operate.
That listen.
Yeah.
Man, I'm proud. You've done to lie.
Hope that answered your question. Okay, the next one is I enjoy watching all of your videos. You both do an amazing job. Thank you so much, first of all.
Yes.
Okay, have you considered operating an Airbnb once you're both established? So there's a few questions in this one, so let's answer that one first. Have you considered operating an Airbnb once you're both established? Yeah, so operating an Airbnb, so yeah, definitely something that we definitely are considering for the future, having our own Airbnb, owning our own Airbnb and operating that, of course, definitely. But guys, watch this space, okay? Guys, talking about Airbnbs, we do have an Airbnb coming up for you next week that we're going to be showing you. A great Airbnb, so watch out for that. But yeah, guys, yeah, definitely operating or managing Airbnbs is definitely something that we're considering in the future, but watch this space on that one.
Part of the plan.
Yeah, definitely part of the plan. The other part of that question was also, could you perhaps provide further information on your website about some of the places for excursion, for visitors and tourists visiting Jamaica, about attractions and places of interest to visit? Definitely. Yeah, guys.
Me have that covered.
Yeah, so we are in the process of putting a website together. Guys, also some of you are asking about the prices. We did put up a price list on our Instagram at datmisehtv Jamaica Instagram. We've had to take it down only because we had quite a few queries from people saying, is it in Jamaican dollars? What currency is it in? So we've taken it down so that we can just amend it and specify exactly what currency our prices are quoted in, okay? So guys, that will be back up soon, but also look out for our website. As soon as that's up and running, we will let you know. Thank you for that question.
Blessings.
Let's see what else.
Yeah, let's see.
Another thought, a list of Airbnbs in each parish would be useful. Yeah, that's a good idea. That's something that we'll definitely look into also. Thank you for your question.
Giving us work to do.
Yeah, we are really busy, guys. Honestly, we are really busy, but we're grateful to be busy, right?
Yeah, it's about everything.
Okay, so it goes, so you have been in Jamaica now for a while. How settled are you? And I know there is crime wherever you live, but it seems to be escalating on the island. How safe do you feel? And would you have stayed if you weren't in a relationship with outlaws? So that's quite a lot of questions there. So let's start with the first bit. How settled are you? Okay, so for an expat, for somebody that's moved from another country, from the UK to Jamaica, I feel really settled, to be honest. I just feel like I'm home. This is home. This is home. And
home sweet home.
Yeah, guys, to be honest, you know, when I go back to the UK is home. Of course, UK is home. It's where I was born. It's where I was raised. But when I go back to the UK, I feel like I'm going on vacation. I feel like I'm going on holiday to England. And then when I come back to Jamaica, I feel like I'm coming home. So the tables have almost turned. But I am very settled. I'm settled.
Turn.
Yeah, they have. I'm settled with life here, with culture. I think what makes it easier as well is the fact that I was coming to Jamaica so often. I mean, from the age of my 21 or so, I was coming to Jamaica every single year, sometimes twice a year. And I know it's different visiting and living, but at least I think those years kind of gave me a little feel for what for what Jamaica's like.
Enough confidence to get brought.
Yeah, definitely. So yeah, I'm definitely well settled. To answer the next part of your question, I know there is crime everywhere, but it seems to be escalating on the island. Yes, of course, Jamaica does have a serious crime issue, as we know, and yes, there is crime everywhere. How safe do you feel, and would you have stayed? So, how safe do I feel? I think I'll answer it, and I'll let Outlaw answer this as well. For me personally, I feel safe, and I think it's probably about where you position yourself. So, of course, guys, you have to use common sense. You know, you have to be cautious when you're out and about on the road, like anywhere, I guess. But you know, you have to have your wits about you. You have to be cautious when you're out and about. I also think it probably depends on the type of neighborhood you live in. For me, as a foreigner, if you like, somebody from the UK, it was important that I'm in a safe neighborhood. So we live in a gated neighborhood, and I think it makes all the difference to me and my safety and how I feel. So when I come home, when I'm at home, I feel secure. I feel really secure.
Good,
you know?
good, man.
Yeah, I feel secure. But also, we've also not lived in gated communities before, but in good, decent areas, and still feel just as safe and secure.
Good like
What
that,
you
man.
want to say?
Hey, people, it's all about where you live, the place where you choose to live, and you choose a peaceful community to live in.
Yeah.
You're going to live peaceful right
Yeah.
there. Crime is all over the country. Crime is all over the world, and people still live there.
Yeah, that's true.
So don't care where it's going on in Jamaica. People still come here.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
you have places to go where you can be safe,
Yeah.
and places to go where you're not supposed to be,
Yeah.
and all these things.
Yeah.
So you just know the difference. Differentiate everything and live along. Yes.
Yeah, I
Yes.
agree.
Yeah.
I definitely agree.
Yeah.
But yeah, I feel safe, and like I said, when I'm on the road, you just have to have your wits about you and be cautious.
People, donkey no business in a champion race. So no go in another race there. Stay in your lane.
Okay.
I'm a good man. You live until Master God come. I'm if you tell you that something.
I must say, I haven't heard that proverb before.
Who that?
The one you said about donkey and say it again.
Donkey no business in a champion race.
Okay, guys, do you know this one?
People where you man, people don't know me think about it. Where you man around the way I sing. So just understand everything, people.
Yeah.
You can live nice and happy
Yes.
anywhere you go. You just position yourself
Yeah.
to live that life, and you're good like that, people.
Yeah.
That's fine. You're good, man. Good. Yes.
Okay, the next part of that question was, would you have stayed if you weren't in a relationship with Outlaw? Yeah, that's a good question, and I get that question a lot. A lot of people ask me that. And I'm going to be totally honest, I'm not sure. The thing is, like I've said before, I always knew that I wanted to live in Jamaica. I always knew that, and I wasn't quite sure how it would work. So Jamaica was always going to be a place that at some point was going to be home for me, whether I was here by myself or here with somebody. I'm not sure though, if I wasn't with Outlaw, maybe I would not be here. Maybe I would be back in England, because you know, I would have been in Jamaica by myself. But who knows? But I think maybe I would have been back in the UK, because you need to have secure people around you. You need somebody that can show you the ropes, somebody that you feel safe with. And maybe as a single woman out here, it may have been a different thing for me. Not to say that I wouldn't have, but I think the chances are that if I wasn't with Outlaw, maybe I would be back in the UK.
She good, man. She good.
Yeah, but I'm good. And I'm glad it works out this way.
Good like cooked food.
Okay, thanks for that question.
Another prayer.
Alright, so next question. Okay, so this question came up quite a lot. And the question is, do you think you'll both get married to each other one day soon? Do you think you'll get married to each other one day soon? Guys, I'm not even going to answer this one. Just let Mr. Outlaw answer this. So.
People, we give thanks for life. They know every man need a wife. That's my part of life.
This rhyming,
Yeah,
guys.
yes.
Answer the question.
Give thanks for life. Every man need a wife.
Answer the question.
Yeah, that's a question, man.
Every man need a wife.
Yeah.
Do you think we'll get married anytime soon?
Why not? If I'm up on something, man. The single, so what single? So around the best single. Yeah, good, man. If I'm up to the command or something.
Yeah. I know. Stop it. Sure. Anyway, guys. Yeah, marriage is something we've spoken about, of course, and yeah, definitely, marriage is definitely on the books. Yeah, guys, watch this space. That's all I'm gonna say. Okay, watch this space. Okay, because when it happens, you're gonna be there. You're gonna see. You're gonna know. Okay, but yeah,
that's what I say.
Yeah,
that me say.
Yeah, marriage is something we believe in, and it's something that we want for ourselves. So watch this space.
Yes, people.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a foundation part of life. Yeah, get a partner and get married and your wife and all these things.
Yeah.
Nah, drop that. From my family. From my band, it comes to my family. I live that way.
Yeah.
Nah, swap it.
Yeah.
I don't know some people that try to drop it.
And like he says, I think that's something that's kind of been, I won't say embedded, but it's something that we've seen in our families. Of course, my parents are married still to this day. Outlaw grew up seeing his, mum married.
Yes.
So it's kind of an example that's been set for us. So it's definitely something that we believe in, and yeah, in the future we're going to be doing. Thank you for your question. Okay, next question is, when can we expect to see Outlaw Story Part 2? So guys, if you've already seen Outlaw Story Part 1, we did say that Part 2 was coming. So when can we expect to see Part 2, Outlaw?
Short the people, yes. Like give me a reminder.
Yeah.
I'll jump to it.
Yeah.
Just give me a few days.
Yeah.
Yeah, and we get to the point.
So soon and very soon, maybe the next week or two, because we've got lots of things coming up, guys. We're so busy, but next week or two, look out for Part 2.
I'll put that together. Don't worry about that, people. Everything go. Cook and curry.
Thank you for the question.
Blessings.
Okay, so next question is, so hi guys, you plan to pick clients up from the airport. Have you a fleet of vehicles? Right. So guys, great question. You plan to pick up from the airports. Have you a fleet of vehicles? Let me just address the first part. So we have actually started the business, guys. We are in operation, okay? We have had bookings like, whoa, yeah? So we only put up the post a few days ago, but guys, already we have had bookings for this month, for next month. So guys, we thank you so much for all of those who have reached out, made your bookings, secured your payments, So guys, we're fully up and running, we're operational, yeah? So we are busy doing YouTube, we're doing the airport runs, we're doing the excursions, so we're already booked, guys. So guys, if you are coming, do be sure to book us before, we're fully booked out. But yeah, guys, we're up and running, we've got bookings already. Do we have a fleet of vehicles? Yes, we do have some vehicles. But we also are very, very fortunate to have access to a range of different vehicles. So guys, if you're coming with a party of 15, 20, 25, we can accommodate you where transport is concerned. So we have access from 7-seaters to 15-seaters to 20 to coasters, 23-seaters. So
28 seaters, 30 seaters.
Yeah. So we have access. We have our own vehicles, yes, but we have access to a range of vehicles too. So thank you for your question.
Blessings.
Okay, so the next question is, if someone wants to find accommodation in Jamaica, would you recommend this or just take them to their destination? You would need to charge more if you found accommodation. So if somebody wants to find accommodation, of course, yeah, we're definitely open to recommending accommodation. Like I said, guys, we are going to be presenting to you an Airbnb next week. Look out for that. And that's something we can definitely recommend. We have some other accommodation that we are able to recommend. We're working in partnership with some apartments, small apartment complex that we're working, and villas that we're working in partnership with. So guys, if you do want accommodation, that's something that we can arrange for you. Of course, if you come to us and we set it up, of course there is a small fee. It's not a lot, guys, but if you want us to do the booking for you and handle all of that, we can do that for a very small additional charge. So guys,
you know the thing, though.
Yeah, get in contact.
Up and down,
yeah,
the thing together.
Get in contact with us and we can help you
not
out.
Not overdoing anything.
Yeah.
But you understand.
We can help you where accommodation is concerned. Thank you for your question.
No problem.
Okay, next question is, please list your prices for tours and pick up at the airport. Love your content. Love to see couples working together. Thank you for your comment. We love working together, don't we?
Okay.
Oh, okay.
You,
you love working with me, innit?
Always.
Okay.
From start.
I love working with you.
I'm going to the finish. That's it.
Yeah, guys, so we will put our prices up. Like I said, we did have them up. We're going to put them up again in the next couple of days, okay? But guys, I will let you know when everything is up. So prices will definitely be going up. Thank you for your question. Okay, somebody else asked, will you both be working together or undertaking separate jobs and roles? So, do you want to answer this question? Will we be working together?
Always be working together.
Yeah.
We'll be always working together.
Yeah.
Yes, always working together.
Yeah. You get us as a pack.
A package.
Yeah.
Maybe
package
down the line,
deal.
I don't know what, maybe down the line, somebody have to do, we have to do some different dispatching.
Yeah.
But not now.
Yeah.
Right now, we're working together.
Yeah, we definitely work together. So guys, we work together, but of course we do have defined roles also. So Outlaw is very much on the ground kind of guy, you know. Yeah, he's on the ground, doing all that kind of groundwork. So he knows the place, you know. Yeah. I'm very much the kind of organizer, administrator, secretary, if you like. I do all the paperwork.
Those little things, that's she.
That's me. But we work together, and if you do book us, the likelihood is that you'll see us turn up together. We'll be together, okay? So you get to meet both of us. We get to meet you also. Yeah, there may be a couple of times where, you know, if it's unforeseen, it might just be Outlaw, but we always try to come and greet you together, okay?
No problem.
Thank you for your question.
Yes.
Okay, next question.
Good, man.
So this question, again, are you guys getting married? I think we've answered that question already. Are you having kids anytime soon? Now, guys, a few of you asked this question. Are you going to have kids? Are we going to see the patter of tiny feet? Should we give them the answer? You ready?
Please. Easy.
Guys, are we having kids?
Easy.
Right, let's just say this.
No.
Right, guys, listen. So we are both parents. I'm a parent. Outlaw is a parent. I'm a grandparent. Outlaw is a grandparent also. Okay. Yes. So we have grandchildren. So our baby making days are over. We're here just to enjoy our life. Our kids are adults. Our kids are grown adults with children of their own. So for us, we're not having it. No.
Nice.
We love our kids. We love our grandchildren. But yeah, we've been there, done that, and it's our time now just to be free to do whatever we want, and we're enjoying it.
Oh, no, not nice. Oh, no, not nice.
So guys, no kids. Like I said, we're already parents and grandparents, so no more children.
All the production. Let me tell you about my production.
We'll get there one day.
One day we try about that. Yeah?
Thanks for your question anyway.
Easy.
Okay. Always good to see you guys. Enough love. Thank you so much.
And prayers.
Somebody also said, why you and Outlaw don't get married? Well, we will get married. And somebody said, is it because you went down that road before? So guys, as many of you will know, I was married before. But let me just say this. The fact that I was married before has not put me off getting married again, because marriage is something that I believe in, okay? So I think even though I obviously didn't have a good experience with my first marriage, it hasn't put me off getting married again, especially, you know, if I find the right person, which I have. And so, no, yeah, I believe in the Institute of Marriage, so...
One piece of blessing.
Yeah, we will get married, yeah, and my previous marriage hasn't put me off getting married again, to answer your question. Okay, so hi Deezer and Outlaw, my favourite YouTube couple. Thank you so much.
I wish I saw.
I would like to know how much you charge for airport pickups and tolls. Guys, that information is going to be up on our Instagram very, very soon. And also on our website. So guys, as soon as that is up, I will let you guys know, okay? But guys, if you are still interested in booking a tour, just give us a call. Just drop us a call, okay? The details will be in the description and maybe at the end of this video also. Give us a call and we'll be happy to quote prices to you.
Good with it, man. Everything is there. Everything there. Okay. Just look around and you see what's going on.
Yeah, I think, oh, here's another one. Okay, were you and Outlaw still keeping in touch while you were still in England, or you guys found each other once again once you made the permanent move to Jamaica? So, if you have watched our video, how we met, you would have known that we met maybe 17, 18 years ago. We met many, many years ago.
From Selfish as in gloves.
From what? From what?
From Selfish as in gloves.
Okay, I haven't even heard that one.
Oh.
Peaks, but
The mother know, your father know.
Granny probably knows.
No, yeah. That they make it. Granny know. That's something there. That's something there good.
So as you guys probably know, we've known each other for a very, very, very long time. But we didn't keep in contact. We knew each other maybe for 2 years, I think. Yeah, because I'd come to Jamaica and, you know, stuff like that, and I knew him from here. But I went back to England, I lived my life. Even though I kept coming back to Jamaica, we didn't link up or anything like that. He was living his life. And it's only when I came back to Jamaica permanently that we got reacquainted, okay?
Just like that.
Just like that. So we went many, many, many years without seeing each other, talking to each other. We didn't keep in contact. Only when I moved back permanently, we got reacquainted, and here we are. Okay, so thank you for your question.
Jarrett, you know?
Yeah.
Just Jarrett.
I think that's all of the stories. I love watching your videos. You guys give me inspiration. Thank you so much.
Beautiful.
We appreciate it. We appreciate
Love
it.
hearing that. Yeah, we're doing something in people's
yeah.
life. Something good. Yes. Very good.
Someone says, what's up, Deezer and Outlaw? We're good. I will have to say, Outlaw, you're a lucky man to land her.
Easy.
You are a lucky man, though.
What is to be must be.
But you're a lucky man.
That's from the Bible.
But you're a lucky man.
What lucky man? Everybody. Yes.
Well, yes, you
Yeah,
are.
we
Say
live.
yes. Say yes.
It's so like predator. Stop that.
Okay, also Deezer, when are you running for education minister? Oh gosh. I'm sure you're well qualified and you have Outlaw to protect you from any threats. Yes, I do have him to protect from any threats. Do you know what? In all seriousness, so you guys know that I worked in the education sector in the UK.
Easy, you know.
Education minister. I'm not into politics, but to be honest, I wouldn't teach out here. So I wouldn't be a teacher out here. Not because I don't love teaching, just because I don't think teachers get enough money. They don't earn enough for the work that they do. Trust me, being a teacher is not easy. I did it for a good few years, so I know. But I would love, I am passionate about education and I'm passionate about teaching. I would love to get involved in something in Jamaica where I could give back, where I could maybe even help out in some of the schools, maybe in a consultancy role. Reading is my specialism and there are so many illiterate people and young children. I would love to do something like that, so who knows, maybe sometime in the future I can get involved, but I'd love to be able to do something where I can give back in terms of education. Definitely, yeah, definitely.
Yeah, sure, I should think about that, but not right now because we're busy. We're busy for a little while, so
well,
she can't write that right now. Yeah, we have everything put together, she can do that. But right now, we're busy with it now.
Yeah.
I tell you.
Okay, and the last one is more of a comment more than a question. I can't wait to go on tour and I want to know Jamaica like other tourists. Yes.
Oh, that's it.
What I do find, I think what we both find is us as, I'm going to say myself, but us as Jamaicans or Jamaican people, yes, they know the, different attractions, but you know that I feel like tourists know some of the attractions better than the locals themselves.
True. True.
And I think it's the same. Even when I lived in England, tourists would come and go to all these places I've never been, and I live not too far from some of them.
Really, some people. Yeah,
so I think right now we're a bit like dryland tourists right now. We're trying to go around the island and discover all these new things as tourists, and we're having a great time doing it also.
But you have an attraction that you know about, just name it.
Yeah,
I take you there.
Yeah,
man, just name it and the place.
Yeah.
I can take you there.
Yeah.
I'm going to tell you that's up there.
Yeah, but also something I think we want to feature, as well as the really popular attractions that kind of everybody knows, are the less popular attractions. Those kind of hidden gems, those kind of places that not many people know about. We definitely want to visit a few more of those. and recommend those too also to people.
Yeah, but we have most attractions covered.
Yeah.
Yeah, most of them covered.
Definitely.
Yes. So in case you name one that I don't know about, just give it to me. Just
Yeah,
give me the
let us
address.
know.
Just give
Yeah,
me the
we'll
address
find
and I take it right there.
Yeah.
You got no problem.
Yeah.
I have it covered like Google. Some people take this thing for a poodle.
So guys, that's all of your questions. Thank you for sending your questions in. We're really happy to answer your questions. Luckily, there weren't too many kind of like intrusive questions. I was a little bit worried about that.
Yes, because we are Christina no?
Yes.
Yeah, we are Christina William. I
Yeah.
respect that.
Yes, definitely.
Yeah,
much respect to you guys. Thank you for sending your questions. Thank you for watching. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Guys, 5 seconds to like. 5 seconds to like. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Have you liked? 5 seconds to describe. Subscribe. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We hope you've enjoyed this video. Thank you guys, and until next time, that we said.
When I go on prayer, give thanks to life. You know we need a wife.
This one has got to be now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.